Stepping it up a notch or two, the Dual Zone National Lunar 60 litre packs in extra capacity in a unit that's still relatively compact. Ideal for one or two people who enjoy shorter trips or have a smaller vehicle. This unit may be compact in size, but it's big on quality. With the superior cooling power and ultra-high efficiency the brand is renowned for, this premium unit won't disappoint, coming standard with high-grade stainless steel finish, lockable latches, an interior LED light and tough rounded corners. The National Lunar 60 litre will handle anything you or your vehicle can dish out.